Start by collapsing the edge of the flares using a flathead screwdriver, or in this case I use both a flathead screwdriver and an old broken file. So just punch the end of it with a hammer and then collapse it inside. Once it's inside, you just push it through the transom. Note how dirty the transom is. In the last part of this video, you see that the transom is clean and shiny. That's because I compounded and polished both the transom gel coat and the splash whale gel coat. Here, you don't see the edges of the flares anymore. They're collapsed inside the transom. So now I'm just pushing it through the transom with that broken file, and you may have to hit it really hard on this part because there may be an adhesive holding it in, so just keep tapping that hammer until it goes through. Here I'm pulling out the old brass thru-hull. This one is the longest of all the four on this classic Boston Whaler Montauk. This is the longest one. This is 12 inches long. The new brass thru-hull is already put in place on this side. On the other side, I marked down the where it's going to be cut, next to the two O-rings right there. Don't forget to anneal the brass. This softens the end of it, so when you make the new flare, it doesn't split. Here's the thru-hull inserted with the O-ring and 3M Marine 4200 fast cure. The other end, I've braced it with this mallet, and now I'm going to use an air hammer because the flanging tool is only 4 inches long. It won't fit this long 12-inch tube. Finished project. This is inside the bilge, and this is outside, plus the two in the splash whale right there, and the third one. Good luck, y'all.